Stranded with a dead battery? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today we're counting down the top 5 best jump starters in 2025, powerful, reliable, and packed with the latest features to get you back on the road in no time. Whether you're looking for a compact jump starter for emergencies or a heavy-duty option for larger vehicles, we've tested and reviewed the best picks for this year. Stay tuned to find the perfect one for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert reviews and recommendations. Number 5. DeWalt DXEJ14 Power Station. The DeWalt DXEJ14 Power Station is an absolute powerhouse for anyone who needs a reliable jump starter, air compressor, and power bank all in one. With its 1400 peak amps, it can easily jumpstart cars, trucks, and even larger vehicles without breaking a sweat. The 120 psi air compressor is a lifesaver for inflating tires on the go, and the built-in USB ports let you charge devices when you're off the grid. The rugged DeWalt build ensures durability, making it a must-have for road trips, work sites, and emergency situations. After testing, I'm giving the DeWalt DXEJ14 a solid 5/5 for its versatility, power, and ease of use. The bright LCD screen and auto-stop function on the compressor make it user-friendly, while the heavy-duty clamps ensure a strong and reliable connection when jump-starting. Whether you're a contractor, an outdoor enthusiast, or just want peace of mind on the road, this power station is a game-changer for anyone who values reliability and convenience. Highly recommended. Number 4. Chlor Automotive Jump and Carry JNC 770 are. The Chlor Automotive Jump and Carry JNC 770 is a powerhouse when it comes to jump-starting dead batteries, making it an essential tool for anyone who wants reliable roadside backup. With its 1700 peak amps and 425 cranking amps, this jump starter can handle everything from small cars to larger trucks with ease. The heavy-duty clamps provide a solid connection, ensuring maximum power transfer for quick and efficient starts. Plus, the built-in 12V power supply and USB ports add extra functionality, making it useful beyond just jump-starting. After putting the JNC 770R to the test, I'm giving it a solid 5 out of 5 for its power, durability, and user-friendly design. The extra-long 68-inch cables make it easy to reach battery terminals and tricky spots, while the voltmeter feature lets you check battery status before jumping. Whether you're a professional mechanic or just want a dependable backup for emergencies, this jump starter is a must-have for any vehicle owner. If you need serious performance and reliability, this one is a winner. Number 3. Noco Boost Plus GB40. The Noco Boost Plus GB40 is an absolute game-changer in the world of portable jump starters. With its compact yet rugged design, this 1000-amp lithium jump starter effortlessly revives dead batteries in seconds, making it an essential tool for any driver. The build quality is top-notch, and the added safety features like spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection ensure a stress-free experience even for beginners. Plus, its ability to work on gas engines up to 6.0 L and diesel engines up to 3.0 L makes it incredibly versatile. Beyond its jump-starting power, the GB40 doubles as a reliable power bank, featuring a USB port for charging devices on the go and an ultra-bright 100-lumen LED flashlight with multiple modes for emergency situations. The long-lasting battery holds a charge for months, meaning you can count on it when you need it most. Whether you're dealing with a dead battery or just need a dependable roadside companion, this is a must-have device. Easily a 5 out of 5 rating. Number 2. Stanley J5C09D Power Station. The Noco Boost Plus GB40 is an absolute game-changer in the world of portable jump starters. With its compact yet rugged design, this 1000-amp lithium jump starter effortlessly revives dead batteries in seconds, making it an essential tool for any driver. The build quality is top-notch, and the added safety features like spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection ensure a stress-free experience even for beginners. Plus, its ability to work on gas engines up to 6.0 L and diesel engines up to 3.0 L makes it incredibly versatile. Beyond its jump-starting power, the GB40 doubles as a reliable power bank, featuring a USB port for charging devices on the go and an ultra-bright 100-lumen LED flashlight with multiple modes for emergency situations. The long-lasting battery holds a charge for months, meaning you can count on it when you need it most. Whether you're dealing with a dead battery or just need a dependable roadside companion, this is a must-have device. Easily a 5 out of 5 rating. Number 1. Noco Boost X GBX45. The Noco Boost X GBX45 is an absolute game-changer in portable jump starters, delivering reliable power in a sleek and compact design. With its 1250 A peak current, This unit can jumpstart up to 6.5L gas and 4.0L diesel engines, making it perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and even boats. What sets it apart is Noco's ultra-safe 2.0 technology, which provides spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, ensuring maximum safety. Plus, its USB-C fast charging means you can fully recharge it in just 48 minutes, a huge step up from older models. Beyond just performance, the GBX45 is built to last with a rugged, water-resistant design that can handle tough conditions. The built-in 100-lumen LED flashlight with multiple modes, including SOS, adds extra versatility for emergencies. Whether you're a daily commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or someone who simply wants peace of mind, this jump starter is a must-have. With 5-to-5 performance, safety, and convenience, the Noco Boost X GBX45 is a powerhouse that proves its worth every time. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.